BMW has revealed the new BMW Vision K18, a one-off concept motorcycle that reimagines high-performance luxury touring with a futuristic design language. Built around BMW's signature 1,800 cubic centimeters inline six-cylinder engine, the concept combines dramatic proportions, exposed engineering, and aircraft-inspired styling to emphasize speed and long-distance capability. The Vision K18 features a low, elongated silhouette inspired by high-speed aircraft such as the Concorde, with the engine serving as both the technical and visual centerpiece. BMW incorporated 6 intake tubes, 6 tailpipes, and 6 LED headlights as references to the 6-cylinder architecture, while hand-formed aluminum bodywork, forged carbon details, and an actively cooled headlight system reinforce the bike's engineering-focused character. BMW describes the concept as an emotional expression of performance and luxury rather than a production model, showcasing how future touring motorcycles could evolve while preserving the brand's iconic inline 6-cylinder identity. Guys, what do you think about the new motorcycle? Please let us know in the comments. Thanks.